Hello and welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can link these media offline. So these clips, the computer is saying that they're offline, but DaVinci Resolve is saying that they are offline, so we're going to link them. And we can't link them directly because when you try to locate the file location, we have unable to find media. DaVinci Resolve cannot find these media. Because so this is a project that I had downloaded from the internet, and the folder that it was inside is different from the folder that is inside in my computer. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a quick one. So what you do is you come here in this the Relink media, and you click on it, and then you're going to hit locate. Then I'm now going to search inside my disk. So we go to the folder. So it's in downloads. Go to downloads, compressed, and it is intro. Then select that, and then you can just select the folder, and then DaVinci Resolve is going to find the footage. And now you see you have all the footage. Now you can see you have all the footage present in your DaVinci Resolve. Yeah, I hope this one helps you. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel,